Good afternoon everyone, and thank you for this opportunity that I will be presenting my work in front of you all. I am Ranjita Pandey. I am working under the supervision of Professor Pilari. And today my presentation title is Study of Gravity and the Data of Formation in the two-dimensional zero-pressure diagram. So I will start with the introduction. So mathematical models of the continuum can be represented in the form of the conservation laws. So one such example is ideal equation, which contains the conservation of mass, momentum, and energy. But due to having the complexity in solving the analytical solution of the directly the full ideal equation, mostly researchers go for some simplified models. So one of the simplified model is pressureless ideal equation, where if we keep the pressure P is equal to 0 in the compressible ideal equation, then we will get the pressureless ideal equation. There are several key phenomena like solution structure in the pressureless ideal equation, which is like formation of the vacuum or diffraction structures or band deflection like phenomena, which is very essential and not commonly observed in several systems. And there are several applications in the real life scenarios like formation of the large scale cosmic structures or modeling sticky particles, etc. If we look at the equation mathematically, then it is given equation number 1. The first equation is the conservation of mass and the other two are conservation of momentum. However, if we know clearly in equation number 1 it doesn't contain the energy equation. Even if the pressure is negligible, energy still contributes to the real life problem. So what we are going to do, we include the energy that none of the data sources are interacting with each other. So we need to know how they are going to connect so that we can obtain the global solution. One more thing we can notice here that Mach reflection light phenomena is agreed. Basically, whenever one shock bifurcates in two different shocks, in future, since our pressureless ideal equation is weakly hyperbolic, so if we include the pressure, it becomes a mixed type of PV. So wherever near the sonic boundary, we actually lose the hyperbolicity of the problem, and whatever methods are developed for the hyperbolic system, that doesn't apply. So that will be very interesting to extend the supersonic sonic patch problems for the compressible ideal equation by taking any kind of general states, like general convex states or van der Waals gas or any other gases. And we can investigate the shock deflection type of problem as well. Whenever the shock hits a wedge, what kind of deflection or deflection properties are happening? What kind of structures are obtained?
What is the Riemann problem?
Data is called as
It's like piecewise, the information is given piecewise.
Yes.
Is this somehow related to that Riemann famous for differential geometry, or that same Riemann or some other Riemann?
Same thing.
See, mathematics and